Hey guys, it's Robert and welcome back to another episode of GentStyle. This week I'm going to give you guys a review, unboxing, and a try-on of the Adidas Swift Run Shoes. And before we get into it, hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already, and also turn on notifications so that you'll get notified whenever we put out a new video. First off, I have to say that Adidas by far, in my opinion, is the best manufacturer of shoes, athletic shoes, because of the fact that the quality is really good, and they also have some shoes that are, very affordable, and you still have a high amount of quality with the purchase. Adidas is really killing it when it comes to shoes. They have the NMDs, they have the Ultraboost, they have the Yeezys, they have a whole bunch more of really nice shoes, and the fact that these shoes are so popular, leads to a very high price. And the only problem with Adidas shoes is the fact that, they're priced pretty high. You're gonna pay anywhere from $150 to $300 for, the Yeezys, the NMDs, and the Ultraboost, because they're really popular shoes and a lot of people like to wear them. But Adidas, they're a smart company. They know that people don't all have the money to spend on these shoes. So that's why they came out with a shoe like this, because this shoe is going to be something, that you can wear that's going to be affordable at only $85. It's really their best shoe, and I think it's really the best value that you're paying. So that's why Adidas, has come out with shoes like the Swift Run, because these Swift Runs, you can get these for $85 retail. And, really they have kind of the same value and the same material. They're just as good as, the more expensive alternatives. The shoes I have today come in a white upper, and they also have a gum sole, which I think is really nice. I like this bottom because it's really kind of a retro look, and it's something, that's timeless, and I think it's a really good contrast for this shoe. The shoe is also all white, so it really goes with pretty much anything you want to wear. You can wear this, with black pants, green pants, white pants, whatever you're feeling like wearing, you can wear these shoes with it. And this shoe, it also borrows from, the more expensive Adidas shoes with having this, knit upper, which I feel is very nice. And it's also got a really wide stance, with the toes. So, there's plenty of room once you put this on. The only drawback I can really come up with these shoes is the fact that the sole, it's really not the most comfortable. It doesn't come with that cloud foam or the, boost technology that Adidas has. So you're going to need some Dr. Scholl's insoles or some sort of insole to put in it, because, these shoes, they are pretty comfortable just with the, the stock sole, but having that additional, sole is going to be a lot more comfortable. So finally, overall, I have to say this shoe is a really good, alternative to those really expensive shoes that Adidas sells. It's, the same colors. They have them in all the different colorways. They're, simple, they're clean, they're minimal, and I really like the fact that they're only $85. If you're looking for a good, affordable, all-white sneaker, I highly suggest you get these shoes because they really do fit, all of the things. Of course, there are a few drawbacks, with the sole being not as comfortable as some of the more expensive shoes, but that can be fixed with buying the soles. And with that being said, that's today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did so, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also, turn on notifications so that you know whenever we put out a brand new video. I'll see you guys next time.